Hello all. Now I am going to do a problem on trigonometric Fourier series. So find the Fourier series expansion. Here trigonometric Fourier series expansion for the half wave rectifier shown in figure. So this is a half wave rectifier output I am having. So for this we have to find out the Fourier series, that is trigonometric Fourier series. Okay. So how to find out the trigonometric Fourier series? First, we'll write the formula, that is trigonometric Fourier series formula, that is x of t is equals to a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n omega naught t plus b n sin n omega naught t. Okay. So first we have to find out what is a fundamental frequency. So fundamental frequency is V omega naught. Omega naught is equals to 2 pi by t, where t is the fundamental time period. So what is a fundamental time period for the given half wave rectified signal? Okay. So here x of t is equal to, the given signal is a sin omega t. Here it is having the magnitude a. Okay. The given sine wave is having the magnitude a. So I am writing a sin omega t. So here omega naught t or omega t we can write. So here omega naught is nothing but the fundamental time, fundamental frequency, a sin omega naught t. So here from the figure I can say that half wave rectified signal, this is the wave I am having in between the integral 0 to pi, and pi to 2 pi it is 0. So I am having the sinusoidal signal in between pi, and in between pi to 2 pi, what is the magnitude? It is 0. So here what is omega naught? Omega naught is 2 pi by t, right? So what is time period, fundamental time period for the given half wave rectified signal? That is 2 pi. That is, this is a waveform and it is repeating after every 2 pi fundamental time period, capital T. Okay, like this the waveform is repeating. So time period, fundamental time period can be calculated, or it can be defined as at what time period it is repeating. Okay, so 0 to 2 pi. Next 2 pi to 4 pi. So 4 pi minus 2 pi, it will give us 2 pi. Next 4 pi to 6 pi. Next 6 pi to 8 pi, like that. So I am having t is equals to 2 pi is 2 pi, and I am having the frequency 1. Okay. So first t naught, actually will do the integration over one time period. So that time period I am taking, it is t naught to t naught plus t. Here capital T is nothing but 2 pi, and here I am considering t naught as 0. Okay. See the diagram, 0 to 2 pi if I consider, t naught is 0 initial time period and final time period is 2 pi, like that. Okay, that is 0 to 2 pi I will get. So a naught, what is the formula for a naught? It is a naught is equals to 1 by t integration t naught to t naught plus t x of t dt. So what is t naught? 0. And what is t naught plus t? 2 pi. So it is 0 to 2 pi x of t into dt. So a naught is equal to 1 by t integration 0 to 2 pi. What is x of t? It is a sin omega naught t. A sin omega naught t into dt. And what is omega naught value? It is 1. So 1 by t integration 0 to 2 pi a sine t into dt. But actually we know that the function is existing in between 0 to pi. In between pi to 2 pi it is always 0. Okay, so we can take the integrations only 0 to pi. So 1 by t integration 0 to pi a sin t dt, right? So 1 by t, do the integration. Sin t integration is minus cos t integration 0 to pi. So here a by 2 pi minus a by t is nothing but 2 pi into cos pi minus cos 0. So here minus a by 2 pi into, and this value I will get as cos pi minus 1 minus cos 0 1. So minus 2. So I will get a by pi. This is a naught value. Okay. Next, what we have to calculate? Next Fourier quotients is an and bn. Okay. So first, next formula. How to calculate an? What is the formula an? An is equals to 2 by t integration 0 to t x of t cos n omega naught t into dt. So actually here t naught to t naught plus capital T. So here t naught is equal to 0. So 0 to t I will get x of t into cos n omega naught t into dt. So here t is nothing but 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. What is x of t? Sin t into cos n. Omega naught value is equal to 1. So cos nt into dt. So this is a formula. We always know that sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equals to 2 sin a cos b. This is a formula, right? So we are having here sin a cos b. So sin a cos b is equal to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b by 2. So here I will get 1 by pi. So actually x of t is having the magnitude a here. So I will get a by pi. A by pi integration 0 to 2 pi sin a cos b. Sin of a plus b sin of 1 plus n into t plus sin of 1 minus n into t by 2 into dt. So this is the formula. So now I am writing a by 2 pi, this 2. Okay, a by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi sin of 1 plus n into t into dt integration 0 to 2 pi sin of 1 minus n into t dt. Okay, I am writing individual integrations. So do the integrations. A by 2 pi, a by 2 pi. So actually we have to consider the integrations only 0 to pi. No need to consider pi to 2 pi, because pi to 2 pi the given signal is having the magnitude 0. Okay, so a by 2 pi is equals to, what is sin theta integration? Sin theta integration is minus cos theta by cos sin n theta by n. Okay, so minus cos of 1 plus n into t by 1 plus n, and here minus cos of 1 minus n into t by 1 minus n. All are having the limits 0 to pi. So a by 2 pi. So here I am applying the limits for this. Next I am applying the limits for this. So pi to 0. So minus of cos of 1 plus n into pi, right? Again I am having minus of minus will become plus, or I can take out minus common here. Okay, so here, so I am taking minus common. So cos of 1 plus n into pi minus cos 0 by 1 plus n plus cos of 1 minus n into pi minus cos 0 by 1 minus n. Okay, so minus a by 2 pi. So here I am having cos of 1 plus n into pi is nothing but minus 1 whole power n plus 1 minus cos 0 value 1 divided by 1 plus n, and here I am having minus 1 whole power 1 minus n divided minus 1 divided by 1 minus n. Okay, so this value is depending upon the value of n. If n is even, I will get minus 1. If n is odd, I will get plus 1. Okay, so depending upon the n value, I am writing minus 1 whole power n plus 1. So now, for odd values of n, okay, I already told you, if n is odd, I will get plus 1, right? So if I will get plus 1, here 1 minus 1 0, and here also 1 minus 1 0. This total term will become 0, that is an is 0. For even values of n, what is an? So an is equal to minus a by 2 pi into, for even values of n, this is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 by 1 plus n, okay, plus here I will get minus 2, right? Here I will write minus 2 by 1 minus n. So after simplification, I will get 2a by pi into n square minus 1 minus of. For even values of n, this is a equation I will get. Next, what is Bn? Formula is 2 by t integration 0 to t x of t sin n omega naught t dt. So here what is fundamental time period? 2 pi, and what is x of t? Sin nt sin t only, sin t into sin nt. Here omega naught value is 1 into dt. So here sin a into sin b. So what is sin a into sin b? Like this we are having one more formula. Sin a into sin b is nothing but cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So like this I am writing a by pi integration. I am taking only 0 to pi, because pi to 2 pi the given waveform magnitude is 0. Okay, so directly I am writing the formula cos of by 2. Next I am having a by 2 pi. After doing the integration, cos will become sin. So sin of n minus 1 into t by n minus 1 minus sin of n plus 1 into t by n plus 1, integration 0 to pi. So this value bn is 0 for all values of n. So whatever the value you are going to substitute n, you will get total term 0. Okay, so what is expansion? A naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. So we have a naught. What is a naught value? A naught value is a by pi plus what is bn? It is 0. And what is an? So we have concluded that summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nt, because omega naught is 1, just I am writing. So a by pi minus, so what is actually I got an is minus 2a by pi into n square minus 1, that is for even values of n. Okay, minus 2a by pi into minus 2a by minus a by pi minus 2a by pi into n square minus 1 into cos nt, but for even values of n. So I am writing summation n is equal to even to infinity. For even values of n only, I got an as minus 2a by pi into n square minus 1 into cos nt. Okay, so this is a problem on trigonometric Fourier series. Thank you.